In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, the New Horizon Outreach Ministries in Spanish Town gives a ray of hope in the form of job opportunities. Here's TVJ's Kean Morgan.
TVJ's Ray of Hope.
Beyond this rocky path, somewhere off Winterspen Road in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, lie a vast number of opportunities for unemployed and untrained youths. It may look like a junkyard, but here at the New Horizon Christian Outreach Ministries, the equipment occupying this facility have provided training opportunities to more than 500 residents in the community since 2007. But while youths are being engaged and certified, there was another hurdle.
A lot of young men, when they go out after school or after training altogether in Jamaica, and they go to a factory or they go to a space and say, well, I like a job, they say, do you have experience? And it starts right there. The challenge is that they don't usually have experience.
That's when Mike Barnett and his wife Sophia, who run the facility, decided to transition the area into a social enterprise. They invited businesses to come in, rent space, and in turn employ the newly trained youths. Now, 30 persons who didn't have a job are currently working and training with 2 social enterprises at the facility. Some in glass recycling, which is used to make tile and countertops, others in machine operation and packaging of tea bags. Sophia says that since the change, that their impact in the community is clear.
I don't see as much begging as we saw before. Here they get their teeth into working and the rigors of working, the training of working, and to actually be going to work every day and all the rest, and then they have something else to put on their CV.
It helped me a lot because I never knew nothing about machine, and I came here to get the training, and now I'm actually training persons about machine.
We need more programs like this, because no matter how you educate somebody, you're still not going to need experience to get in a job. So from this program, go straight in our work, it's very good.
Jamaica will actually do a lot more in this regard, as in get youths, train them, and give them an incentive. It would actually encourage them to stay off the streets.
The Barnetts say coming back to Jamaica after years abroad and seeing the need, all they wanted to do was give a ray of hope to others.
If you're not part of the solution, you are part of the problem. And we chose to be part of the solution.
Oftentimes there is a stinginess in giving back. I would encourage any manufacturer, anybody listening to this, think about even one person in their company. Walk with that person through their career path to give back, because that seed that you sow will grow one day, and it sometimes come back and bear even fruit for you.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kean Morgan.